Hi, today is a traditional South Indian breakfast. This is not commercially available. This is delicious, simple and very easy to make. Let's begin with Rava Rotti. Welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Let's begin the traditional South Indian recipe, Rava Rotti. To begin, first I'm going to boil 1.5 cups of water. Now the water is boiling. I shall add the green chilli paste, roughly grounded fresh grounded pepper, salt to taste, some jeera and grated coconut. When this starts boiling, I will add the fine soji. This has started boiling. Now I am going to add in the fine soji by reducing the temperature. And mixing it continuous. I can switch off the flame and the roti batter is ready to make. I'm going to knead the dough which I made it. This I'm going to make it lump free and nice so that I can make it into roti. It's better when it is hot. I'm going to make the ball of this size so that I get good round. Now I will show you how to make the roti. Before I start making the roti, I want the tawa to be hot. So I'll switch on the flame and smear some oil. Rub it evenly. And I will grease the mat too. While I start making, I will see that edges are finely done without cracks. Since this is a soft dough, it's easy to make. You can make this as thin as possible. The pan is hot and ready. I shall transfer this onto the tawa. You can smear some more oil on the top and close the lid. Turn the flame to the high. By the time this gets roasted, we can be doing another one. This I'll show you how to use the rolling pin. The first step would be the same. Then you can use a parchment paper, grease a bit. With the help of a rolling pin, with a light pressure, you can roll this. Now you can final this with a little touch so that you get the same texture on the top. And this is ready for roasting. At this stage, you can take it out, take out the lid and allow it to roast some more. This tastes good when it is crispier on one side. Now you can fold this. See, it looks the crisp and it is roasted well. This is this right consistency, you can take it out. Your crispy Rava Roti is ready. The same way, I shall roast this too. Some more to drizzle on the top. And closing the lid. These yummy rottis will taste good with coconut chutney. Already given the recipe of coconut chutney. Please taste it, comment it and like it.